There'll be like a little cutaway there with like, ping, and Scotty going, yeah, right, mate.
Yeah, right, mate.
You gotta go steal leaves off someone's tree? Yeah. Okay, I'm up for a mish.
I love it. I love pressure. I love it.
My motto this week is the judges.
Are you feeling lucky, Punk?
Oh, mate, I'm always feeling lucky.
Who did that?
Why do you only have one nostril?
Knowing our luck, it'll literally be through the centre of the tree.
Guess where it was?
Centre of the tree.
I'm like the least cool person to be driving this, by the way.
Doe, a deer, a female.
Andrea, can I get this recipe, please?
Can I have the Mustang?
Oi, what are we eating?
7, Scotty.
You said 6:30. It's 25 past 6.
This is a Greek 6:30. It's 7 o'clock. They're never early.
I named our tree.
You named the tree.
Darren Palmer.
So, where were you, Luke?
You picking up VJ panelling.
Oh, that's right.
Good morning.
Got your legs out.
Sun's out, guns out.
Oh, la-di-da. Getting a big fat palm tree.
We've got a pretty clear vision of what we want to do.
I can see that. Look, that's a very clear vision. Is that of your dream home?
Can't find any Lego men. No, you paint that bit. No, you cut in. I don't want to cut in. I hate painting.
That's so cool. Oh, my God. $30,000? Batmobile? Life-changing. My own personal Batmobile. And that's what I would buy if I was rich.
OK, Brickman, would you like me to talk you through my dream right here?
No, man, I think we're right.
Forget about your world. Ah.
What a lovely and devastating surprise.
It's starting to become a bad word now, Jimmy and Tam.
Describe the week in a sentence.
Oh, sorry.
I got found.
They could hear you breathing through your mic.
The whole of Australia will hate you. I tell you what, you've got so much painting to do, haven't you? And it's Friday, and there's not a lick of paint on any wall.
Any wall.
Yeah.
I've done the skirts. I've sprayed the skirts and done them before.
Oh, well, you'll be sweet then. Love you, George.
You better not be saying that to Jimmy.
No.
No, sorry, guys. Got no time for you, sorry. Sorry.
You got this house coming last. Why didn't someone pick this house with the north-facing light?
Well, bad them. Good us.
Harry happy.
It's
Happy
been
Harry.
Harry happy.
Harry sad. Harry bathroom bad.